Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome Afro pop, Afro swing beat. Make sure to check out my most recent sample pack in the description. All the sounds which I'm using in this tutorial are from my sample pack, so make sure to check it out and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to set the tempo to 115. So I found this pad in Xpan 2 and I'm going to set the swing to 30%, something like this. And first I'm going to create a simple melody by just using some root notes. Just really basic. And just copy this one and add them to C. I think this is really good to begin with. And maybe turn this one up 1 octave. And after that we can add another melody. And maybe just make an adjustment to this beat. And just something like this. Because this will really fit the rhythm from the drums. But if I'm quickly adding a snare. For example, this one. And I'm going to copy this part, make these a little bit shorter. That's really awesome. So maybe something like this. And maybe add a melody on top of this one. So first just start off with this G sharp. Copy this one. And we could use G. Maybe this C sharp. Yeah, I think this one sounds awesome like this. Maybe some short notes right here. Okay, copy this one. That would sound really boring, so maybe turn it up 1 octave. And maybe just copy one of this. And we can use an A sharp. So I think the top melody is done. And I'm going to add another Xpan 2. So I found this distorted guitar preset. And I'm going to copy my melody. Also sounds really awesome. And I think I'm going to add a bass line. So I found this really simple bass. And just to keep it really simple, I'm going to copy my root notes and paste them into my bass pattern. So right now I've created all the melodies. I'm going to add some drums and create an arrangement. So right now I finished the beat and I think the outcome is really awesome. So first I'm going to start off with the intro. And I've added a lot of reverb and different sounds. So first I'm going to start off with the melodies. So I've used the pad which I already showed you. Put a lot of reverb in this one. Cut out some of the high frequencies. And afterwards the drums are coming in. So I've created this really awesome wooden sound drum pattern. Just a bell, a block sound, another block sound, and then I've added this djembe. I've added this block stick. Just really add some rhythm. And then I've added the shaker. Just really in the background. And then I've added a shaker loop. Added a kick. And then I've added this top melody, and I've added a lot of reverb. I've used this Valhalla vintage verb. Really awesome, I think. Adding the chords. And then I've added the bass. Just really played around with the velocity. And I've added this fruity fast disc to distort the sound a little bit. Also really wavy. And also this guitar melody. And also added some reverb. Added some delay and some flanges. So I think this sounds really awesome, and I've also added some fills. So it's this one. And I've added another tom or rebolo. And I think it fits really well together. And this crash. And right here I've added another fill, which also sounds really awesome. And I've used this effect. Which also really fits really well in this beat. And right here the bass line is coming in. And I've switched up the kick pattern. and the beat is basically repeating. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in the melody MIDI files, make sure to check out the link in the description. You can download them for free, so make sure to check it out. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.